Now available at McCarthy Castle, 2012 Toyota Yaris VVT-I in metallic silver finish. It's a 5-door car. It's got split folding rear seats and a parcel shelf in the boot. Front view of the vehicle. Moving to the interior. It's got a velour interior with 5 headrests. ISOFIX watch outs preparation. And for your safety, it's got front airbags. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. It is a 5-speed manual. It's got air conditioning. After market fitted CD player with a AM FM radio. This was the quick overview of the 2002 Toyota Yaris VVT-I. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.